Today I'll teach you how to stop friends from adding your other friends on Snapchat. So to stop your other friends from adding your friend on Snapchat, you need to make your Snapchat account as private as possible. The more private your Snapchat account, the less Snapchat is going to recommend your friend to your other friends. For that, you need to click on your profile picture at the top left of your screen, and then click on the setting icon at the top right. Once you're inside Snapchat setting, scroll all the way down until you see this option called Privacy Control. Now from Privacy Control, the first thing, see my location inside of over here. Make sure ghost mode is on. Once your ghost mode is on, scroll up it down and click on where it says Contact Me. So click on Contact Me. Make sure it's on Friends and Contact, which means only your friends and contact can, contact you. Other people who do not know you, they will not be able to contact you. Then you want to click on See Me and Quick Add. Once you do that, make sure you turn this off. If you turn See Me and Quick Add off, then Snapchat is not going to recommend your account to other friend, which means the friend which you have is also not going to be recommended to other people. Alright. Once you do that, you have done it. You have made most of your setting private now. If you want to make your other settings private as well, like Spotlight comment, you can turn these private as well. But if you make the most in private, Snapchat will think your account is private and your friend is not going to be recommended to your other friends. But if other people search for your friend using their username or using their QR code, then they will be able to find them. Alright. But by doing the steps which I just showed you, Snapchat will not recommend them. You can only do that other thing. They can search, or they can scan their QR code to find them. But that's the steps you need to follow. If you guys found her video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.